Robotics help the children in the township, especially in Atteridgeville. It keeps them out of the streets, number one, because they are not safe anywhere in the street and they don't have any extra activities to do in the street. It keeps them safe.
As a school learner, I benefited from robotics, critical thinking skills, problem-solving skills, and how to work in teamwork.
They learn different skills. They learn how to program, how to build a robot. Their performance is also improving.
With the knowledge that we've shared with them has always been something that's great for me. And I always enjoy seeing them being happy with a working robot. For me, having a kid coming without knowing much about a robot and then being able to build and program a robot has been something that is inspiring.
It helped better my marks, my school marks, especially for mathematics. That became helpful and useful for me from primary school up until high school.
For the last few months, we've attended on Tuesdays, but when we heard that there was going to be a competition, we attended Tuesday and Thursday.
Bushi helped us a lot because we learned how to program and how to control laptops.
Donnie Haymans, and I'm the Robotics Program Manager at Care for Education. Effectively, we have Township Robotics projects that I manage. There's Outreach Robotics, and then there's the World Robot Olympiad competitions, which I'm the national organizer for.
Robotics and what we do, especially in the environment that we work in, these are kids who had never really experienced robots at all. I mean, we are not just talking about the kids get a laptop and play with robots. We first have to teach them how to use a laptop, how to use a mouse, how to use all of these different things that they're going to be using so that they can actually program these little things to drive them around.
So my name is Donnie Haymans, and I'm from Care for Education. I've been doing this program for maybe 9-10 years. Okay, and every year it's been different learners at the school doing robotics. We're at Mabafeng Primary doing robotics training, and this is Gift Morokolo. He's one of our trainers from China University of Technology, and he's just going to explain the Explorer Challenge to the learners who've already had 2 to 3 months of robotics training.
And then the next one says, collect the bed weeds and move them into the red area 1, right? My name is Gift Morokolo. I'm actually a graduate now from mechatronics engineering. I did mechatronics at the China University of Technology. So that is the head of the genome, right? Yes. You have to knock it off. I've been training robotics for the past 3 years now with Care for Education.
Yeah, there's a robotics competition where all the different schools, participating in Atteridgeville will come together, and all the things that you've learned now, you're going to try and put into practice on the Explorer Challenge. And then you can see how much you've learned.
Hi, I'm Brent Hutchison from Care for Education, and we're here today in Atteridgeville. This is our 10th year that we've been running Township Robotics, and it's really about exposing kids in the township to robotics, girls particularly, and you'll notice today that there are an amazing amount of girls here. So a fantastic competition to engage them in STEM activities.
In the morning when we got here, we were nervous. We thought that the motor rager, but now used to the surroundings.
It was nice since the morning, but my team were nervous, but I was not nervous.
So far, I have learned that we should be very delicate with the robots, and we should always work together as a team.
We built our robots. After starting the program, they said we must begin, so we began. We tested our robot. It didn't do well, but we got another chance to try, and it did well the second time. It was was not difficult because we already did the program 100 times. I don't know.
Hello guys, my name is Julia Rapala and I'm from Walton Jameson Primary School. I stay in Atteridgeville and we are here at robotics competition and we're trying to make our robot to win. We're programming them so we can get more points.
Chris Mulder here from Red Hat South Africa, and we at the Atteridgeville Community Hall today supporting the World Robotics Olympiad and their community outreach programs for the day. And what is absolutely astonishing is to see the sense of community and the sense of collaboration with the kids and the encouragement by the parents in the community. So it has been a wonderful experience, and we hope to be involved and continue to be involved with this initiative for quite some time to come.
I'm coming back to the competition and I'm going to win.
Yes, I'm coming back to the competition and I am coming back to win.